Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to buy from Stockx in Europe. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Buying from Stockx in Europe is quite straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you out. Go to the Stockx website. If you don't already have an account, sign up by providing your email address and creating a password. Use the search bar or browse through categories to find the items you want to purchase. Click on the item you want to buy to view its details. Now here you can see you can place bids here to buy this product. Place bid. If your price matches any seller, you will be able to buy this one. Go to the checkout section, complete your shipping information, and choose your payment method. After doing all the stuffs, you are successfully placed a bid. Now, when your item is available, your item will be shipped to your destination. So that's it guys. Hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.